In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set your home preferences in Slack so you can customize your workspace, reduce distractions, and make Slack work the way you want it to. If you use Slack daily for work or team communication, tweaking your home preferences can seriously improve your productivity and overall experience. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find these settings and how to adjust them to fit your workflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and you're on the main Slack homepage. This is the screen where you normally see your channels, direct messages, and activity. Once you're here, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This opens up a menu with several account and workspace-related options. From this menu, find and click on Preferences. This is where Slack keeps all of your personal settings, including notifications, appearance, accessibility, and of course, home preferences. After clicking Preferences, a new window or panel will open with a list of settings on the left-hand side. Take a moment to notice how many customization options Slack gives you here. For now, focus on the left menu and look for the option labeled Home. Once you see it, click on Home to open your home preferences. This section controls how your Slack Home tab behaves and what information you see when you open Slack. Now that you're in the Home Preferences section, you'll see multiple options you can adjust. These options may include things like what content appears on your Home tab, suggestions, reminders, or other helpful tools Slack provides to keep you organized. Go through each option one by one and click on any setting you want to change or stop. You can turn features on or off depending on what you find useful. If you prefer a cleaner, simpler home view, you might want to disable certain suggestions or extra sections. If you like having quick access to updates and reminders, you can leave those enabled. As you scroll down, you'll find additional home-related settings, so make sure you don't miss anything. Take your time here and adjust everything based on how you actually use Slack day to day. The best part is that changes are usually saved automatically, so you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. Once you're done customizing your home preferences, you can simply close the Preferences window and continue using Slack with your updated setup. And that's it. You've successfully set your home preferences in Slack and personalized your workspace to better match your needs. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, software tutorials, and easy guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.